Enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Are you eager to revitalize your kitchen counters with fresh decor ideas? This video compilation presents a diverse range of creative concepts, blending functionality with style to transform your kitchen space. From wooden accents to sleek ceramic arrangements, discover inspiring ways to elevate your kitchen decor effortlessly. Wooden board and flower tray. Organize your wooden boards into a decorative tray, adding a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen decor. Countertop tea essentials. Display ceramic tea and honey pots on your counter to add elegance and functionality to your kitchen space. Simplistic greenery decor. Add small floral touches, a clock, and matching salt and pepper shakers to your counters for a simple yet refreshing look. Wooden tray and condiment dispensers. Arrange ceramic condiment dispensers in a wooden tray, enhancing both functionality and visual appeal in your kitchen. White and wood kitchen utensils decor. Combine white and wood utensils with succulents and cookbooks for a fresh and cohesive kitchen aesthetic. Cookbooks and succulent decor. Utilize cookbooks and succulents to fill empty spaces on your kitchen counter, blending practicality with greenery. Coffee nook. Create a dedicated coffee nook with essential items like a coffee machine, milk frother, and a jar of coffee pods for a convenient morning routine. Perfect soap bar on a wooden tray. Elevate your kitchen sink area with a wooden tray showcasing a perfect soap bar. This simple yet elegant addition adds a touch of charm to your daily hand-washing routine. Mini wood trays for versatile use. Utilize mini wood trays for various purposes in your kitchen, from soap stands to potted plant holders. Their small size makes them ideal for adding functional and decorative elements to your countertop space. Cake stand and candle set. Repurpose a cake stand to display hand soap and dish soap alongside your favorite candle. This creative use of kitchen decor items adds visual interest and a hint of luxury to your countertop. Copper and wood utensils tray. Showcase your utensils, cutting boards, and flowers in a stylish copper and wood tray. This unique combination of materials brings warmth and sophistication to your kitchen decor. Wood trays and kitchen utensil set. Arrange a set of kitchen utensils on wood trays, adding versatility and charm to your countertop. Enhance the display with flowers, candles, or cookbooks to personalize your kitchen space. Basics together on a tray. Keep kitchen essentials like knives, condiments, and utensils organized on a tray, adding greenery for a lively touch. Wood and white ceramic coffee nook. Incorporate wood circles as a base for ceramic sugar and coffee pot holders, enhancing your coffee nook's charm. Dish soap holder. Utilize a small wooden box as a dish soap holder, embellished with fake greenery for a touch of nature in your kitchen. Fairy light and ceramic kitchen tray. Illuminate hidden corners with fairy lights and white ceramics on a wooden tray, infusing your kitchen with warmth and charm. Wood board and baby's breath decor stand. Introduce baby's breath flowers to your kitchen for a fresh and delicate atmosphere, ideal for any surface. Black and white kitchen essential tray. Opt for a bold black and white tray filled with essentials, offering a striking contrast to your kitchen decor. Kitchen cleaning tray. Keep hand soap and towels within easy reach by placing them on a tray next to your kitchen sink for convenient access. Wood and marble kitchen tray. Combine wooden and marble elements in a tray adorned with kitchen essentials, achieving a harmonious balance of textures. Elevate your kitchen decor with these innovative ideas, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal to transform your space effortlessly. Whether you prefer rustic accents or sleek modern designs, there's a countertop idea to suit every taste and style.